Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'm just about to show you a short video of this Peugeot 308. This particular car is a GT line with the 2-litre 150 brake horsepower blue HDI diesel engine with the 6-speed E86 gearbox, automatic. This particular car is in magnetic blue and has done just under 25,500 miles. It was registered 2015 on a 15 plate. It is a very unique car because we don't get the 2-litre 150 brake automatic diesels in very often, and especially in the GT line. Now we're on London Road in Dorchester if you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066, and I hope you enjoy the video.